Today, we're going to show you how to change the battery on your key fob. Now, if your key looks like this, it's going to be the same, but pretty much similar with any of the older Nissan keys. So there's a little button on the back. So if you pull that to the side, you'll actually be able to remove the key itself. So we'll set that to the side, and then you're going to want to kind of find like a little screwdriver, something you can pry in here. There's two little arrows you can see on each side. So you'll feel it just kind of pull away a little bit from each side of the key and give it a little bit of a firm press, but not too hard, and you'll feel the key kind of start to separate. So then give it one little pull, and then you'll notice on this side, you've got your battery right in here. So that comes out pretty easily, and then you're gonna notice that the plus side is gonna go down. So once you have your new battery, go ahead and put that back in, making sure the plus is gonna be down, make sure it's in there nice and firm, and then grab your key, and then you'll kind of line up those two pieces again, and then just give it a push. You'll feel it snap back together, and then you can simply just take the key itself and just push that back in, and you should be all set to go.